Hi everyone, my name is TFmane, and today I'm gonna review and unbox and build a lot of stuff. One of the new Bionicles, Terak, Creature of Earth. So let's start with the box. The Terak plus a new set can be combined. Then there is his action, his mask, and a little creature claw trap thing. So yeah, let's get into it. Something weird, really weird with the tape on these new 2016 sets, because they ripped the box. I didn't used to do that with 2015 sets. But whatever, it's just a speculation I have that they changed the glue or something kind of like that. But anyway, if I can get it all out. So yeah, let's get right on to it. There we have him, Terak, Creature of Earth. So yeah, he's pretty cool, especially with this little weird thing. I don't really know what they are. I haven't really checked up on them, but I think they're called traps. At least that's what I heard. So yeah, he's got the kind of like action, and he can slam. So he can be like, ugh, hitting it or something. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little set, especially when you combine it with Onua, as I'm gonna do in the Onua unboxing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please leave a like and comment. So yeah, anyway, that's been my review, thoughts and build. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.